Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. You know that feeling when you think you're brushing thoroughly, but still get that annoying buildup in those tricky spots? Well, that's exactly why today we're checking out a couple of essentials for maintaining a sparkling smile. The Waterpik Triple Sonic Toothbrush Replacement Heads and the Genuine Classic Jet Tip for your high-pressure water flosser. Make sure you hit subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest beauty and self-care reviews. These replacement heads come in a set of 3, each with soft, end-rounded bristles designed to clean gently yet effectively. The high-low bristle configuration is meant to reach those hard-to-access areas while helping to remove plaque. They're compatible with Waterpik Complete Care models 5.0 and 9.0, so if you're already invested in the system, these are a straightforward swap. And alongside these brush heads, we've got the Genuine Classic Jet Tip, which is clinically proven to be up to twice as effective as traditional string floss for removing bacterial plaque and improving gum health. This tip is perfect for everyday use to clean deep between teeth and just below the gum line. Now, testing these in real life is where things get interesting. Swapping out the brush heads was quick and hassle-free. The bristles feel soft against the gums, but are firm enough to tackle plaque without leaving your mouth feeling raw or irritated. I tried them across my usual morning and evening routines, and I noticed a definite difference in the clean feeling between teeth and along the gum line compared to my previous brush. The jet tip is equally impressive. The water pressure is adjustable, and it really reaches those areas traditional brushing misses. Your gums feel invigorated without any discomfort, which is a big win for anyone prone to sensitivity. What I loved: the versatility and compatibility with multiple Waterpik models, the thoughtful bristle design for effective plaque removal, and the genuine jet tip that truly steps up your flossing game. The drawbacks? Honestly, the only minor inconvenience is remembering to replace the brush heads every 3 months. But that's standard dentist advice and worth sticking to for optimal oral health. In terms of value for money, these replacements are reasonably priced considering their genuine Waterpik parts and clinically proven to enhance oral hygiene. You're getting quality materials, durability, and effectiveness, which makes them a smart investment in your daily dental care routine. Compared to generic alternatives, these genuine heads and tips perform noticeably better, especially in those hard-to-reach areas where plaque likes to hide. The build quality is solid. The bristles stay intact after weeks of use, and the jet tip's mechanism holds up perfectly over repeated water pressure cycles. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't personally needed to contact customer support, Waterpik is known for responsive and helpful service, which is always reassuring if any issues arise. If you're on a budget, there are some third-party brush heads available, but they often lack the precision and durability of the genuine Waterpik replacements. In my experience, investing in the original parts guarantees the best performance and longevity. Overall, the Waterpik Triple Sonic Replacement Heads paired with the classic jet tip deliver a thorough, reliable clean that genuinely improves daily oral care. They're ideal for anyone using the Waterpik Complete Care systems and looking to maintain a healthier, plaque-free smile with minimal effort. These aren't just replacements. They're an upgrade to your oral hygiene routine. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching Beautyistic. The link to grab these products is in the comments and description box below. If you've tried them already, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.